St. Louis has been a fun market because historically, through the 90s and into the early 2000s, we would see just a lot of your typical, what I call landlord beige vinyl siding in neighborhoods. There was still a lot of the hardboard masonite type siding. But in more recent years, St. Louis has had a really big push towards elevated, better siding products in the home. And so that's where I'm so proud that we work so closely with James Hardie Building Products, because James Hardie fiber cement siding provides that authentic look of wood without all the drawbacks that we would get from the different weather patterns with humidity and freeze-thaw cycles. And so Hardie gives you that authentic look, and you can get some great designs out of it, but still perform throughout all the harsh weather conditions. So, we still do a lot of the traditional 7-inch reveal lap siding, which is great for colonial homes. It's just a very classic, timeless look. And then board and batten has been really popular. So whether it's board and batten on the entire house or board and batten in gable sections for accents, and then even Hardie's straight shake profile is really popular. Working with James Hardie products kind of almost exclusively with Hawthorn has been great, because we can design just about anything that a homeowner envisions and wants to see, and we use our digital design renderings to create these really custom, elevated, enhanced look for their home, so it stands out from the rest of the neighborhood and not just like a production built home, but like a truly custom built home. I think it's important when you're looking at replacing the siding on your home, because you hope you only have to do it one time in your life, right? So some of the things you want to consider are durability. How's it going to hold up to the elements? Obviously, in the St. Louis area, we get all 4 seasons, so we get a lot of humidity, a lot of rain, a lot of freeze-thaw cycles, pretty intense sun and heat in the summer. So you want a product that's going to hold up well for years with those elements, as well as a good return on your investment. So again, that's where James Hardie Fiber Cement has been very successful for us and for our clients, because it has the highest return on investment at about 76%, and it also is very durable. So it holds up well to the elements. It's a sealed system, unlike vinyl that hangs loose on the wall. So Hardie actually attaches through the substrate and into the stud. So it doesn't blow off the wall when you get strong winds. It's very resistant to hail, as well as pests, insects, things like that. And then also with the Color Plus technology, you get the baked on color finish, so that it's actually been proven to fade 400 times slower than a field applied paint, or especially like a vinyl product that's pre-finished at the factory.